In this session, we are going to solve again another possible MST board exam problem in civil engineering. And this is our problem number 2. Okay then, let us now start solving C board problem MSTE number 2. Allow me to read the problem first. Solve for x if 4 to the x plus 2 raised to the x is equal to 20. And to start the solution process, first, we have to convert first the numeral number 4 of 4 to the x into its exponential form. And 4 can be written as 2 raised to the second power or 2 squared. After the conversion process, we can read now the new format of our equation as 2 squared raised to the x power plus 2 to the x equals 20. And then afterward, let us simply make a swap of the two exponents, 2 and x, of the expression 2 squared raised to the x power. After the interchange, we have now a new format of our equation, and we can read it as 2 to the x, open and close parentheses, raised to the second power, plus 2 to the x equals 20. And as we can see now, the bases of the two addends of the sum 20 are now both 2 to the x. Let us now assign a variable for the value of 2 to the x. And let us assume that 2 to the x is also equal to y. Let us then now substitute the value of 2 to the x in the latest format of our given equation. And this is the given format of our latest equation. 2 to the x, open and close parentheses, raised to the second power plus 2 to the x equals 20. After replacing 2 to the x as y, this is now the new format or image of our equation. Y squared plus y equals 20. Then, let us now transpose the number 20 to the left-hand side of the equation. After the transposition process, we have now y squared plus y minus 20 equals 0. Afterward, we have to apply now the type of factoring by trial and error method to this given equation. Right after the factoring process, this is now our equation. Y plus 5 times y minus 4 equals 0. And then afterward, next in the process, we have to equate both factors, y plus 5 and y minus 4, both to 0. Then, let us try y plus 5 first be equated to 0. Then we can have y plus 5 equals 0. Finally, we have obtained a value of y which is equal to negative 5. But the value of y which is equal to negative 5 must be an absurd or must be rejected, since the value of y must be positive. Let us try then the other factor, y minus 4 be equated to 0. After equating y minus 4 to 0, it is very clear now that y is equals to 4, and we have to use this value because it is a positive value. Thus, we have to use y is equal to 4. Coming up next, let us go back then to the assumed value of 2 to the x, which is equal to y. But the value of y is equal to 4. Therefore, 2 to the x is also equal to 4. But of course, to make the left-hand side of the equation and the right-hand side of the equation, their bases be equal, we have to convert 4 into its exponential form as 2 squared. That is why we have now 2 to the x equals 2 squared. But when the bases of both left-hand side and the right-hand side are the same, we can then now equate their exponents. Finally, our final answer to this given problem, x equals 2. Thank you very much and God bless us all.